Welcome everyone. Question on the oxidation number. The oxidation number of chromium in CrO2Cl2 is, choices are A +2, B +4, C +6, D +7. Answer is C +6. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The compound is CrO2Cl2. Let the oxidation number of chromium be X. We know that the oxidation number of oxygen is -2 and the oxidation number of Cl is -1. So, X for one chromium atom plus 2 into -2 for two oxygen atoms plus 2 into -1 for two Cl atoms is equal to 0, or X is equal to +6. Therefore, the oxidation number of chromium in CrO2Cl2 is +6. Thank you for watching this video.